For the last few months, I've been having a lot of trial and errors, and I had to restructure my entire business plan. So I was going straight for the development, BRR deals, because I'm a deal sourcer personally. So, but I had to restructure my business plan because I was going straight for the big fish, not having the investors. But now I'm going for renter SAs, especially my local area, because now I've got an agent that works well with me. And today, funny enough, even after like a lot of trial and errors, so I joined the academy February. This is June, like the start of June. I just sold my first deal. So many more deals after this one. And of course, it's just a matter of just structuring the business plan to secure the right things and just really start small, take a step at a time and level up. So that's what I'm doing right now. That's what I mean. It's been like this achievement today. I just cried and prayed. I was like, thank you, you know? So yeah, it's just the support that you get from everyone. It's amazing. And the connections you make here is going to determine the rest of your life. So yeah. What plan for the future? In a matter of 5 years, I'm going to be a millionaire, multi-millionaire. So that's the hope.
How is the team going to help you get to that?
The team just being there for me, like every step of the way. Even if I make a mistake, I want that criticism so I can develop myself and use it constructively. Having that support, having that, just the mindset, just the ability to be like, listen, Solomon, like, you can do this, you can do this, you can do that. Not just that one strategy, you can do this one. So I just want to know, have the knowledge as well as the support, and just to get me to the place I need to be in 5 years. I'm going to looking back at this moment and I'm like, wow, that was really me. So, yeah.